Good morning, second graders, and welcome to math. We have some more problems to work on as we get ready to take an assessment here later on this week. It's number 7 on page 395, and let's go. We'll read the whole thing, and then we'll read it again, and we'll go through the steps that will get us to the right answer. You have 4 fewer gel pens than your friend. You have 6 gel pens. Which picture shows how many gel pens your friend has? Well, boys and girls, I love these problems because I like it when pictures help me solve problems. All right, now this is a word problem, ladies and gentlemen, and whenever I have a word problem, I read the whole thing, and then, that's right, I read it again. So let's read it again. You have 4 fewer gel pens than your friend. You have 6 gel pens. Which picture shows how many gel pens your friend has? All right, we've read it again. Next, we underline the question. Let's see, which picture shows how many gel pens your friend has? Then we circle our information. You have 4 fewer gel pens than your friend. That's one bit of information. You have 6 gel pens. Which picture shows how many gel pens your friend has? So let's see. I need to have a picture of these, right? I need to see which of these, when we have 4 fewer, it tells us that we have 6. All right, so if I go to this first picture, if I take 4 less than this, does that leave me with 6? Let's see, I'm going to cross out 4. Well, I can't even cross out 4. That doesn't leave me with any. I can't even do the first part. So that's not it. Okay, 4 fewer than my friend, and I have 6. So let's cross out 4 fewer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's none left over. Well, 4 fewer than your friend, if it said then you have 0, that would be the right one, but that's not it. Let's just do this one. All right, 6 gel pens, 4 fewer. Let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fewer, and then I have 6. Well, let's see. No, I would only have 2 if I had 4 fewer than this. Okay, let's do this next one. You have 4 fewer than your friend. Let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's count how many are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have 4 fewer and I still have 6, then this is the picture that shows me how many my friend has. And let's see how many my friend has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my friend has 10. This is the picture that shows it. All right, let's look at the next problem. Which number does not belong? Remember, we need to make sure that we get all of the words so we understand what the question is asking. My number is greater than 563 and less than 567. So greater than 563, less than 567. Well, let's look at all of our choices. My choices are 566, 563, 564, 565. I noticed something right there. I noticed that they all have 500 in the hundreds place. And I know that they all have 6 tens. 6 in the tens place, the digit 6. So the only number that is changing is my ones place. I have a 6, a 3, a 4, and a 5. Let's look at the rules again. My number is greater than 563, but it's less than 567. Let's see. 566. Is 6 greater than 3? Yes. Is it less than 7? Yes. So that one works. That's not, right? We're trying to find the one that does not belong. Don't get tricked. All right, let's look down here. The 560, they're the same. Let's look at this. This is a 4. Is 4 greater than 3 in the ones column? Yes. Is 4 less than 7? Absolutely. So this one works. This works, and this works. Okay, remember, we're trying to find the one that does not belong, that does not work. All right, let's come over here. 563. 3. Is 3 greater than 3? 3 greater than 3? Boys and girls, Actually, if I had 3 and 3 with the circle in the middle trying to figure out, that would be equal to. It's not greater than. So this one's not going to work because doesn't fit both of our rules. It's less than 7, but it's not greater than 3. Well, let's check this one and see if this one works. My number is greater than 563. 565 is greater than 3 in the ones place. All right, that fits. Less than 567. 567. 5 in the ones place is less than 7 in the ones place. So this one works. This works. This works. This works. Or this belongs, this belongs, this belongs. This one does not belong. Boys and girls, if you can read your equations, your math problems, and find out what they are asking, and just try to answer that problem, you will get most of your answers correct just by paying attention to what the words say. All right, let's look at the next one. Number 9, your friend uses compensation to add. Compensation, we're just changing some things around. Complete the equation to show what numbers he added after using compensation. Now, compensation means we just move things around. That's all it is. It's easier to add 5s, right? That's why whenever I'm writing out my quick sketches, I always keep them in groups of 5 because 5s are easier to add than 3s or 7s or 9s. So I like to keep them in groups of 5. Well, let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 10, right? The lines, the columns like this are 10s. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 extra. All right, let's just look at all of the pieces that we have. Now I have 1, 2, 3 columns or 3 lines if I was drawing them. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a group of 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see what they're saying. If I take this 1 away from this number and I bring it over here, that would make 2 sets of 5, which would make this be another set of 10. Oh, well, boys and girls, that is a good way to think. If my brain can move numbers around and make the numbers easier to add, well, then that'll be easier to do the math problem. So let's write down what we have right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 So I have 56 over here, and I have 1, 2, 3 sets of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. But that's not what they're asking us to look at. They want us to complete the equation to show what numbers he added after using compensation. Well, let's see. He took one of these and he put it over here. So now I don't have 56 anymore. I have one less than 56. What's that? 55. And I don't have 39 anymore. I have one more than 39. And 39 plus one more makes it go to the next 10. So I add my fives, or my ones. I have a 5 and a 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. And I have 5 tens and 4 tens. Well, that makes 9 tens. So boys and girls, all of this, 56 plus 39, I can add together by just moving this over. And I say, instead of 56 plus 39, I can say I have 55 plus 40. And boys and girls, that is always easier to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are understanding and having fun looking over these problems that we're working on. I want you to be ready when we do our assignment later. So we can go back and do the practice pages that you haven't finished toward the front of the book, and do all the practice that you want. All right, it is up to you to understand these. Remember, if you have a question, you can ask your teacher. You can ask me during our group times. You can ask Mrs. Raber during her group times. If you're not understanding, then please let us know. All right. Thank you very much, and we will talk to you later.